introduction to VS Code. So VS Code is a very good text-based editor that we programmers or coders, you can say, use. You can download VS Code from the Microsoft Store or by going into your web browser. This is the VS Code window. I have chat here. It has a GitHub Copilot. These all, this is to run your program. Go somewhere else. View, selection, edit, file, VS Code symbol. This is the Explorer. It is in the file folder in which you are storing all of your VS Code files. Here is search to replace run and debug. This is extensions. So see, this does not support many languages very goodly. So what happens is, you can write the code, you can make a server, you can make an app, but there is no autocorrect, there is no chat. So the thing is, you can download an extension. Like I have downloaded the CHDevKit, I have downloaded Pylines, I have downloaded Python Debugger. This is the Python tab in which I downloaded the Python Debugger. This is a simple Python program. I am going to run it. I made a simple Python maze. You guys probably know what is Python. So we can run it in the terminal. There is also many things. Problems with your code that this detects. Extensions are needed for that too. Output. What comes out of your code if you execute it. Debug console. If you are getting problems, how to fix it. Terminal in which you test the whole code and ports. So here I made a simple Python program. Math quiz. Welcome to the math quiz. Question 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 10 plus 10, 20. So this is your terminal. Terminal helps. You can also type, if you like, no command prompt. You can type command prompts here. So there is even an advanced version of VS Code called Cursor. Cursor is basically VS Code but with a more intelligent chat. So in here, because I'm making single file projects, as you can see, haunted mansion.html, there is no other file that is related to that. Then there are immediately different games. These are different iterations of the same game. So, but if you do a multi-file build, I'm here making simple games. If you want to make a good game like an FPS, a first-person shooter, if you want to make an FPS, first-person shooter, you got to use AI. You got to write code, and using AI is more efficient. So us programmers found a friend called AI. But what is there in VS Code? That VS Code chat cannot understand everything at once. It goes one file at a time. That reduces its efficiency and makes the chance more for the chat to do a mistake. In Cursor, the chat can understand the entire code base. But most of us developers still use VS Code because VS Code is just very light and it's very good. Yeah. So subscribe to this channel, like, share this video. Thank you, and as always, bye.